Today we're working on a 2024 GMC AT4. This is a brand new truck. Customer brought it straight to us. We're going to be putting a ready lift 2-inch kit, and the only thing he selected to do was upgrade the tire size. So this will give him the capability to doing a pretty much a 35-inch tire, but in a different size metric. So he's going to be using a 285 75 18, but essentially it's about a 34.8 inch tall. Reggie's going to put this on the 2-post lift, and we're going to get this process moving. All right guys, this customer selected a ready lift kit 2-inch. It consists of upper control arms, the actual coil spacer. One goes actually at the bottom of the coil and the other one goes on top of the strut. Also the 2-inch block for the rear. And as you can see, Reggie is going to start tearing this apart, and then we'll be moving on to getting the tires installed. All right, Reg, what step are you in with this AT4?
We're putting the spacer onto the strut.
On the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Goes on the bottom of the coil.
We're smoothing it back together.
And onto the strut compressor, huh? How much easier your job is with this tool versus the old school way?
No. Night and day.
Night and day, huh?
Yeah.
All right, looking good. Now get it put on. All right, guys, so this is the tire size that the customer went with. As you can see, this is the original height right here. This is essentially maybe about a 32.5-inch tall tire. And we're gonna go with this setup we're here, which is the Nitto Recon Grappler, which is their new all-terrain design. So he's going from a 32.5 all the way to 34.8, almost 35 inches. So this truck is gonna look like a beast. So we're about to get these put on and show y'all the final results. All right, Reggie's already done, put everything in, marked everything, torqued, and he's about to put the wheels and tires and get this bad boy aligned. Here we go. Échale. All right, so we just completed this 2024 GMC 1500 AT4. Customer went with a 2-inch ready lift kit. Reason he wanted to go with that kit is he wanted to actually get a larger height on his tire. Now the tire size he went with was a 285 75 18, and the tire brand he went with was a Nitto Recon Grappler, which is Nitto's new all-terrain design. So that went from stock height on the tire almost to a 35-inch height. So now if you guys want to see more videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.